And a warm welcome back to Northampton College. I'm James, and we're looking at our finale of the Scania 143 conversion. So this is basically a drive out. We're going to go out to Manly just for a little drive. Got our friend, our neighbour, Angie. She's come out for a drive. She loves a Scania too. And we're going to have a little look back at the build just in pictures and just a reminder of what we've done, what we've been through, the challenges, and hopefully you'll enjoy the finished product. Okay, so sit back and enjoy.
Oh, look at it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Say to me, why did you do the Scania? Look, this is going to pull out. Why did you build the Scania? Well, this is why. Come out, this is where we live. Lovely coastal part of Brisbane. This is Good Friday, so all the families are out.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
So we've got talk about the truck. It's a V8, it's a DSC 14 litre Scania.
And we've got pedestrians.
It started out as a 6-cylinder 113, and this is what it's ended up as. It's definitely not a show truck, but it's definitely something that we can now say we've done phase one, so the conversion's done. It's all been engineered, it's all legal to drive. And listen to that, don't need a radio when you've got that.
Down across here.
So we're very lucky we live here.
Yeah.
This is the Bayside area of Brisbane. And this is where we call home, so we're very lucky to live here. Very family orientated, kids are safe.
Our ice cream fish and chip shop that we like. We pass it. Look at those yachts. Hobart. There's the Baywatch Cafe. That's where we do the ice cream with those.
Ice cream.
Really good.
Trees, Angie.
Oh no.
Oh, this is going to be bad.
Is she going to stop?
Definitely. I was looking at that tree. Look how low it is.
Oh yeah, it's a good puppy. Happy Easter. She's alright. wasn't too bad or either. Let's get up really early for that.
Oh my god, that's gonna be.
Oh yeah.
These trees.
Oh, it could be all. What do you reckon?
I'll just keep going.
No, just mind that child. Oh, look at the mooring dock. Look at that. Everything. All the sensory. And that to itself, hey, look. But, well, it's slow. Since the Cyclone Alfred. Oh, that is spectacular. Puppy. Yeah. And the boys going fishing, that's good. All these ones are on the heart.
Now, I wonder if I can get this thing up. We can do a walk round.
Trailer units.
That's our shared zone. So induction pipe and intercooler pipe, some looks really nice. Now I've done that contrast of darker blue. I'm really tired. So, gear linkage is on. So the little nylon bushes, like in all the old trucks, they're worn on the gear linkage. So I've made my own, but it's turned out really well. I'm really pleased with them. so that's good. Yeah, you'd never know that that engine didn't come from the factory. So had some dramas here because the 6-cylinder and the 8-cylinder, the gear linkage is different, but that makes sense because of the length of the engine. So I've had to make my own, but it's turned out really well. So if I just move that, and that little wheel hits that. When I say make my own, that's not really fair. I've made one good one out of the 6 and the old 8-cylinder, so the sort of framework, the architecture was already there, so I'm not that clever. I haven't made my own, but it's really good. So yeah, linkage really good. So gear linkage will go on tomorrow. I've got to build that back up. I've put in a new range change switch on, and then these shields, they go down here, down the side. So it sort of shields cover the exhaust. So it looked really, really nice when I tilt the cab. Yes, gotta love a Scania. This gives me an opportunity to try some things. It's inevitable that there's going to be things that I have to look at that just aren't right and all the rest of it. And I'll be lucky if everything just goes well and it starts up and all the gauges work and all the rest of it, because it's a huge modification. But there's lots of things that I can test, like the range change, for example. So that's fabulous. You can hear that straight away. You can hear that solenoid. So I'm really pleased with that. So if you like the videos so far, help us out, give us a like, share and subscribe. And we're just going to show you a little sneak preview of what's to come. In the last couple of weeks we've obtained another Scania 143. It's come from a harsh mining community, so it's really battered and beat up, and we've had some fun. It was like Northampton College does outback trucking. So we've had some fun getting it back to Brisbane. So we've had breakdowns and problems and all the rest of it. But it's a new project for the college, and we're going to bring this one back to life as well. So hopefully, guys, if you've liked what you see so far, stay tuned and we've got more to come.